Have you given any thought to what you're going to make for St. Patrick's Day? Sure, you can go with the traditional corned beef and cabbage, made either in a slow cooker or pressure cooker. We have recipes for both of those on our website. Or you can try something new, like the recipe I'm sharing with you today. I got it while I was visiting a small pub in Ireland. All we do is saute some stew meat along with some bacon until the meat is browned. To that, we add some dark Irish beer, a good amount of beef stock, some minced garlic, and a few spices before covering it and letting it simmer. After a bit, we add some baby carrots, celery, and onions and let it cook until the meat is fork tender. And then, to thicken it up, we'll whisk in a flour and water mixture and give it a good stir. It doesn't get any easier. When this is served with some crusty bread for Dunkin', boy, are you in for a treat. You see, the bacon gives this just the right amount of smokiness, while the beer tenderizes the meat and adds lots of richness. To get our version of the beef and Guinness stew that we had while we were in Ireland, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard, the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a truly authentic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.